Looking good, Yuri. You know what I'm doing, right, Yuri?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to give you ideas for your retirement.
Ah, yeah. Give me ideas.
That's why I'm inviting you on the boat. That's our marker right there, okay? Don't stop reeling. Don't stop reeling unless it fights back. Hey, Joe! First one! On bait. There you go, buddy. I told you I'd get you the first one. You see what tugs, Yuri? Looks like we're gonna do bait, bud. There it is. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. I'm gonna need you to walk back slowly, okay? Keep reeling. It's on the side of the boat. That's clear. This is good. How's that tug, Yuri? Okay. Oh, we got one on Chobies. Okay, reel up, reel up. Yeah, it's a nice Chinook. Oh. Okay. Come over, come over. Got it! That's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Ow! Oh, got me. Yep. Congratulations!
Nice.
Yeah, nice spring. Nice sticky white spring.
Yeah, that is a white, huh?
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Nice job, Yuri. Welcome to the life, my brother. That's it, he's hooked. He's gonna get a 30-foot boat now. Don't worry, you're gonna get an even nicer boat. I know he will. Rip its gills off and let it bleed.
No knife?
Oh, fish! Fish! Grab this one. Okay, never mind.
That was a stripe.
You like that wire, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You think this is still fishable? Doesn't look like it.
No.
Oh, another one!
Push on.
Gone. Bent the wire a bit. So you like my wire idea, eh, Richard? It makes sense though, right? Like the thing here? Pretty easy, right? You're already certified.
How tight do you do?
So I don't do it too tight because when you fish on, I want it to rip. You don't want it too tight because it'll snap, and I don't want you to adjust that while you're running because you could over adjust it. So let me show you. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and then when you go this way, I want it to be this tight. Okay. Okay, you're ready to get rid of this rod? The bait's getting too many hits. It's gonna be too much. I only like to stack when it's not busy. I'll go 50 then. Oh, it's got some globbins.
Like plotting, huh?
3, 2. Okay, whatever you did last time, Gary, do it again.
Okay.
Yeah, this is it, Yuri. Like this. This is it.
It's like riding a bike. Same thing.
Yeah.
Except there's no fish.
Yeah. So I was thinking, you know, like, because I got thing caught dialed down. I was thinking today, I was like, oh, you know, if it's calm enough, maybe we'll just forget the salmon because we can get salmon anytime. We'll just cut. Oh, down at a strike. Yeah, strike. Yep.
Oh my god, he's off.